pretty cool, I guess.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, dude, I'm so happy. It sounds monster, dude.
When I revved it when you were back there, dude.
You see me jumping up and down?
Yeah.
I was like, yes!
I knew you were happy.
It's exactly what I wanted to sound like. Just like a really loud, just like, woo!
Yeah.
A whole new world. It's gonna be freaking nuts.
Yes! Yes! That was so awesome. That was badass. That was so badass. Dude, that was like intense. It was going by so fast. Those people walking probably were just like, what the?
Yeah, they were.
Dude, I love the high-pitched sound of it. It sounds way more beefier.
Beefcake! Beefcake!
Nice.
4 gears.
That's funny. That's crazy. Oh, I see where you're
I had to let out because that guy was coming.
Oh man. Yeah, that guy slowed down as soon as he saw you. He was like, that's insane, man. That's really loud. That's sweet.
I can't imagine what it sounds like outside the car.
Sounds like NASCAR, man. Dude, that is so loud.
Just gotta make sure there's no cops, dude, because I'm risking it.
That is so loud. Dude, you can hear it reverberate throughout the trees and like echo. You can hear it echo from the pavement. It's nuts.
You know what they say, make a joyful noise for the Lord.
There's a little- they're a little slow or something. Yeah, I think they can hear like at least like 5 blocks. At the least.
At the least.
That guy just turned on his brights.
Almost went airborne, bro.
That guy just turned on his
I
brights
saw
for
that.
no reason. I could feel the tires gripping the gravel right there at first.